What's up everybody, it's Brillianted here. And today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, passive income. We're talking about the best ways to make money in your sleep, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. So, if you're tired of the rat race and ready to start building a brighter financial future, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top passive income ideas for 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're already dabbling in passive income streams, this video is packed with actionable advice and strategies that you can implement right away. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best passive income ideas for 2025. First up, we're talking about dividend stocks. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be gambling. With dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company that pays you to own it. The key is to do your research and invest in established companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently. Think of it like owning a rental property, but instead of collecting rent checks, you're collecting dividend payments every quarter. With a long-term strategy and consistent investing, you can build a substantial passive income stream that grows over time. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get started. Next up, let's talk about the world of online courses. If you have expertise in anything, you can package that knowledge into an online course and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it super easy to create and host your online courses. And the best part is, once you create the content, it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. It's incredibly rewarding to share your knowledge with the world while also building a sustainable passive income stream. Plus, with online courses, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. That's the beauty of passive income. It gives you the freedom to design your ideal lifestyle. Chapter 3: Real Estate Riches, Building Wealth. One property at a time. Real estate isn't exactly passive in the beginning. It takes work to find properties, secure financing, and manage tenants. But once you have a system in place, real estate can become a powerful source of passive income and long-term wealth. One strategy I love is the BRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. It's a proven system for building a real estate portfolio with little to no money down. You find a distressed property, fix it up, rent it out, refinance to pull your initial investment out, and then repeat the process with another property. There are tons of resources available, from real estate agents to property managers, to help you navigate the process and build a successful portfolio. Chapter 4: Peer-to-peer lending. Become the bank and reap the rewards. P2P lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, cutting out the traditional banks altogether. You, as the investor, get to choose which loans you want to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the interest rate offered. It's a win-win situation. Borrowers get access to loans at potentially lower rates than they'd find at a traditional bank, and you, the investor, get to earn passive income on your investment. Plus, you have the transparency to see exactly where your money is going and how much interest you're earning. Chapter 5: Blogging and YouTube. Turn your passion into passive profits. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel takes time, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you're passionate about something and you're willing to put in the work, blogging and YouTube can become incredibly lucrative passive income streams. You create content once, and it can continue to generate income for years to come through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and be consistent with your posting schedule. It's not about chasing viral fame. It's about building a loyal community of engaged followers who trust your recommendations. All you really need is a smartphone, a computer, and a passion for creating content. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming your blog or YouTube channel idea today. So there you have it, guys. 5 powerful passive income ideas for 2025 and beyond. Building wealth and achieving financial freedom takes time and effort. There's no magic bullet, no get-rich-quick scheme. But by focusing on building sustainable income streams that work for you, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.